Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix you submitted an appeal on Instagram. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, if you have logged in your account on Instagram and you're getting this type of interface, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So you can see here guys what happened next. We will take another look at your account. If we find your account does follow our community guidelines, you will be able to use Instagram again. If we find your account doesn't follow our community guidelines, it will be permanently disabled and you won't be able to appeal again. So let me tell you that if you have violated any terms and conditions and you have submitted the appeal, okay guys, because your appeal is under review, that's why guys you are getting this. Okay guys, so guys, if your appeal is accepted and still you are getting this, then you can fix it very easily. And if your appeal is under review and you are getting this, then you won't be able to fix this. So guys, if you have received the mail that your appeal has been accepted and still you are getting this, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to go to App Store and just simply have to search for the Instagram. So let me search for the Instagram first, and now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on that. And now you can see here guys, update option, just simply have to tap on update and just simply have to update your device. So you can update your device, and after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to close this page. And now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to open any browser and just simply have to search for Instagram Sport. So let me search for the Instagram Sport. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to the help center option, and from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to wait some seconds. Let's wait guys. Now scroll it down and you can find this type of interface. Just simply have to search for account login. So you can see here guys, I can't log in. And now from here guys, scroll it down. So from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on that and then you have to scroll it down. And now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on no. When you tap on though guys, just simply have to go to other, and here you have to write that hello Instagram team. When I try to log in my Instagram account, it's showing the error like you submitted an appeal. So please fix my issue. I have already appealed and my appeal is accepted. So please fix the issue. So hopefully they will fix your issue. So that's pretty much for today video. If it is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.